Wait a minute. So I purchased this Revlon one-step dryer and styler. I've been doing my hair all wrong. All wrong. All wrong. That whole blow dryer, brush, stop, go part. Silly me. I've been doing my sister's hair, my daughter's hair. Like, this hair right here. This thing. This is a game changer. Revlon, thank you. Thank you. I am extremely happy about this. Look. And it's so fast. I need to clip my hands so don't look at that. It's so fast. Like, it's dry already. And it's so smooth. And I realized there's less tension on your hair, I guess, to the prongs, and the heat at the same time. And you're able to give your hair the attention that you need instead of stopping and
that you can get the most random, wonderful reviews